All right, here we go. Well, I'm Jason. Welcome back to the Forge, and it's Monday, so it is unboxing day. I'm always kind of hesitant to do product reviews on the channel because I don't like to pull any punches. So I typically say what I think about a product and rock on. But I got excited when the Farrier box came along. It's one of the cleverest things to hit the Farrier industry in quite a while. If you want to check it out or subscribe, go to farrierbox.com and it'll walk you through the whole process there. But basically what it is, it's a subscription box. And you get one of these boxes in the mail. I can't remember how much it costs. Doesn't matter. You'll see it when you go check it out to subscribe. But rumor has it there's way more stuff inside this box than the cost of the box. And so when you get your box, I think right now they're going out every 2 months. And there's themed boxes, and I'm pretty sure Bodie Turnka had a ton of input on what's inside this box. But it's like a little surprise. It's Christmas every 2 months. And even if you get some stuff in here, you know that you wouldn't use, you're going to get something you used, or you're going to get something to try out that you might not have bought. And if all else fails, you got stuff to give to the apprentice or somebody else that's starting out. I think it's a great idea, so we're going to get behind it full force. So let's cut into this thing and see what we got. I first learned about this at the weld shop clinic and couldn't wait to get started because I've had some theme boxes before. Probably going to need that again. And they're just always fun. So anyway, have us a nice cold adult beverage while we enjoy our Farrier Christmas every 2 months. Christmas, birthday, whatever it is. So, oh, look at that. Pink and black packing material. So much fun. All right, thank you. All right, a card. There's a card. Sorry, I'm weird. My mother-in-law and my wife would slap me if I opened the present before I read the card. So we're going to continue on with the manners that have been beat into me slowly. Yeah, pretty cool. So, ooh, there's samples in there. Alright. Nice little personal touch there. Alright. Nice little flyer. Wind is going to kill me today. I could shut that back door and cut the wind down, but man, the freedom sign flying in the back. So we don't need that. What do we got here? A Foot Pro Farrier tools for the professional, cotton wheel 6-inch. Uh-oh, I think the theme of this deal is going to be sharpening. So it's a fabric wheel from Farrier Pro. I use these a lot, and I use the what do they call it? Londonderry Forge sharpening kit. And I've never bothered to put any backing on these things. I just run them right on my spindle, rouge them up, and rock on. And mine look like, well, they look really bad right now. Since I'm kind of starting to figure out how to try to learn to rebuild, that's going to come in handy because I can isolate some roofs. So sweet deal there. Our next little prize in here, holy buckets. That's what I'm talking about. The Foot Pro gray coarse 1 pound block of buffing compound. Man, I can't say enough. This is my favorite coarse buffing compound. I've bought all kinds of it, you know, because I make handmade tools and you want to buff them up because, I mean, Farriers are a lot like big mouth bass. They're super territorial and really excited about shiny stuff. So you got to buff it up good. But sharpening knives, dressing up your nippers, anything, that Foot Pro coarse buffing compound, it's my favorite. What else have I got in here? I'm going to make a big mess trying to figure this out. Well, looky there. It's a little candy horse. Let's see. We'll get into that in a minute. Hey, there's a Salcedo. Am I saying that right? I think I'm saying that right. Salcedo hoof knife. These things are cool. I got my first one of these as a prize, an incentive prize at the WCB. And if you haven't tried one of these knives out, you should. It's not the knife I use every day, but it's not because it isn't good. It's a great knife, and that's gonna be a good one to have in the apron. It's a great knife. I use handmade knives made by my friends, and I used the last one of those until it was used slap up, and I like the belly in it. They're tough. And so they put a bunch of Farrier prices in here, and then they also kind of put an outside industry thing in here, and this time it's a pair of socks. It's always kind of funny with the socks because, you know, we preach and talk about all kinds of stuff for taking care of horse feet, but we don't really do enough to take care of our own feet. My wife will attest to that. When we first got married, she's like, you won't hesitate to charge somebody $250 to shoe a horse every 6 weeks because they need it, but you won't spend $250 on a new pair of shoes every 3 months because you need it. It's one of those things. But I learned in the Marine Corps for sure that good socks help keep you from getting athlete's foot, so you don't want any thrush in your toes. Let's see what we got here. Technical series, lightweight crew. 19.5 micron body yarn. I don't know. There we go. There's the part I care about. Moisture management wicking. Super comfy. There we go. There's what I'm looking for. 51% merino wool. Sweet. I don't know. I'm just a geek about merino wool socks. They're my favorite. And so that's cool. I got a sweet pair of socks and a bunch of really cool packing material that just looks like, if I'm not careful, I have it everywhere. And that's the bottom of my Farrier box. So I'm gonna box this up before I have a hazardous material split. So there it is, our unboxing. It's my very first subscription box. I'm really excited, looking forward to the next one. And so farrierbox.com. This time I got lucky. Got a Salcedo hook knife, a pair of merino wool socks, my favorite buffing compound by Foot Pro. Run away. Somebody forgot to tie that one up. And the new cotton wheel. And man, it's just hard to beat. So it's a pretty cool idea. If you're interested at all about having Farrier Christmas every 2 months, I think eventually she's planning on going to a once a month deal. Like I say, I don't remember what the cost of the boxes are, but it's the same every time. So go over, check it out. Look at farrierbox.com. Peace. I'm out. Get cool stuff.